Hello traders, welcome to another video of Akamlo Forex. In this video, I'm here to show you how to identify the correct chalk in the live market. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. Also, check in the description, you'll find our free traders chat room community. Join the chat room community to share ideas with other traders. Okay, and also click on our library link to join our library to get access to free trading or investment books that will help you boost your knowledge in investment. So guys, before coming into the life market, let's see how price really react in what in structures way. Okay, so guys, we have the correct and incorrect way of what of chalk. Okay, so first I'll show you the incorrect way before we can now go to the correct way, so that we can find the mistakes that traders makes when identifying their chalks. Okay, so in an uptrend, price is giving us a higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. Okay, so when price is giving us this trend, that means that we have found that price is in a bullish move. Oh, okay. So now you can see in the higher highs, in an uptrend, price always clears the higher highs. Okay, price clears the higher highs and respect the higher lows. Okay, and respect the higher lows. That indicates an uptrend. So these higher lows are our strong lows. Okay, they are strong lows. So they are strong lows. So the incorrect way of identifying chalk, you see traders, if price is moving to the upside and price comes down, okay, and give us a shift in structure, a shift in structure. Many traders check this to be a chalk. They mark here to be a chalk. They mark this place to be a chalk. So they'll be taking their positions at this level. Okay, that is those SMC traders that thinks more deep. They will find their top to be their entrance, and they will take here to be an inducement. So they'll be anticipating price to tap in and then continue the move. Okay, and those who don't know an inducement. Okay, those who don't know an inducement, they would mark this place as their entering zone, and they'll be anticipating price to tap in and continue the move to the downside, and they will identify this place to be to be their chalk. Okay, which is very wrong. Okay, chalk. So this is not the correct way to identify chalk. Okay. So now price can then come in. Price needs liquidity to move, right? So price will then come lower to clear this liquidity that they have identified as chalk, and then move upward to hit their excess and take them off the market, because this is not the correct way of chalk. So now guys, now let's see the correct way of identifying chalk. Okay, so now the correct way of identifying chalk, if price is moving to an upside, giving us a higher highs and higher lows, high highs and high lows. Okay, so if price breaks this recent high, okay, if price breaks if price breaks this recent high, also we can see that price is breaking the higher highs. Okay, which is known as a minor liquidity. Okay, guys, if you want me to talk about minor liquidity, major liquidity and minor liquidity, please put it in the comment section below. Now you can see that price is also respecting our high lows, right? Price is respecting our high lows, which is our strong low. Okay, so these are our strong lows. So now we are not expecting price to clear this this low. Okay, so if price then takes off this what this low, is then now we'll be expecting price to give us this move. Okay, to give us this move. You understand? That's how you'll now be expecting price to give us this move. That means that this particular point is now our choke. This place is now our choke. This break is now our choke. So this is our fake BUS, and then this is now our choke. So we'll be looking forward to find a level here to join the sell move. So to identify choke, look at both the fake way. The fake way price didn't break this level. Price just give a shift in structure, okay, and then they have identified this place to be a choke. But for you to find the perfect choke, you need to wait for price to break the strong low, okay, price to break the strong low before you can now find your move, and that is how you can identify choke. So guys, let's move into the live market to identify chokes. This trade is what we trade. So let me just clear everything. Okay, so now you can see here we have price coming to the downside. Okay, that was an uptrend. Let me give you a downtrend structure before we come back to the live market, right? So in a downtrend, its price is moving to the downside. It forms lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, right? So its price is forming a lower highs and lower lows. Now, how to identify your chalk? This, so you can see this lower lows is what is being broken. So price always breaks these lower lows, and that is where you can find our BUS, right? And price respect the lower highs. Okay, price respect the lower highs. All right. So if price is respecting the lower highs, that means this lower highs is our major highs, our strong highs. Okay, so if price didn't clear and break this structure and break to the upside, then this is where we can now find our choke. This is now we can now find our choke, and I'll be looking to find an opportunity at the downside for price to come and give us a test, and then continue the up move. Okay, and then take the up move. So this is where you can identify a choke. So guys, now let's let's um let's move into the live market to find our to find an examples in the live market. Okay, so now we can see price giving us a down move. Price is giving us a down structure, giving us a high lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low. Price breaks here, and price use here to be an inducement leg. So this is just an inducement. So this is just an inducement. So many traders will be induced here. Okay, many traders will be induced here, and then they'll be looking to sell at this level. Since they'll be looking to sell at this level, price will then takes them off, induce them. Price will then take them off and then create a lower high. Okay, if price creates a lower high, look at it. Price repeat itself here. Price couldn't break this low. Okay, but it rather create another inducement, because many traders will be taking this to be a choke. Many traders will be taking here to be a choke. Okay, when you take here to be a choke, you see where you have taken out a trade. This is just a short-term trade. Okay, in here you are taking against the trend. Okay, so now you just have a small buy move, a short-term buy move, and then you take your trade to the upside. So before price will then come and clear this place. But this is just an inducement that will induce traders to what to enter the market. Okay, so when price then creates the lower a new what lower high, give us a what a lower low. Okay, when price give this lower low, it creates another what lower high. Okay, so see what happened. Price then what then break this what this low. Price breaks this what this lower low. When price breaks this lower low, it also breaks the what the strong high. Okay, so price then breaks this strong high. That means that here we can now identify our Choch here. So this is now our Choch. You can take our Choch at this level. So this is what this is Choch, because price has broken our strong high. So price give us a what a BOS here. Price give BOS, that is break of structure. Price give BOS, that is break of structure. When price give this BOX, it go and what breaks the strong high. So that give us a Choch. So if price give us a Choch, you will now find your what your zones here, to take a trade. And this was where we took this trade. Price used this leg to induce. This was just an inducement leg. Okay, this was just an inducement leg. So price used this low to induce many traders, because many traders will be taking here to be their what their entering point. They will use order block traders. They will use here as their order block, and then they'll be waiting to what to take the move to the upside. But price takes them as liquidity, induce them, and then tap into this zone. And this was where we take our trade and then move to the upside. Okay, so let's find another example of Choch. Let's find another example, right? Okay, this is another example of what of Choch. Okay, this is another example of what of Choch. Here, price give us our this move. Okay, price give us our this move. When price breaks this BUX, this was our lower high. This was our high, and then give what this move. So this move induce people to what to sell. So here induce people to what to sell. So price then give a true back and then take this move. So what you do here is to get your what your entering point at this level, and then take this buy move. Okay, so guys, this is how we can identify Choch in the market. So if you like this video, please click on the like button, and also any video or anything that you want me to talk about, please put it in the comment section below. And don't forget to join our free traders chat room community. So guys, this is Akamilo Forex, aka the